You want to know the best thing you could do right now as like a creator, like on YouTube or any social media space, is just being you. Like, it's so many people on the internet right now is giving these like AI prompts, or they're reading from a teleprompter, and you can tell that they speaking like AI. And I feel like, you know, we at the time where it's ramping up so big in the AI space that we're kind of like forcing ourselves to accept it, even though we know that it's wrong, right? Cause we like, well, this just how it is right now, right? And that's one thing like I'm refusing to do, right? And I did some videos in the past, like doing the whole teleprompter or trying to make it sound human like, but when I sit back and realize, it's just like, yo, like, who perspective are you truly giving it from? Like, you give it from that AI machine or your life experience? And I feel like having the whole character aspect of being like, you truly, speaking from the heart, you got character. That's why people fall in love with certain people, creators, is because they got something that nobody else got, you know what I'm saying? And it's just being them. And I feel like once you like truly like realize that whole scenario of like, yo, I ain't gotta be like them, I could just be me. I don't have to read from the teleprompter, boom boom boom. You know how the teleprompter be sound like, and that's not facts, that's real life. Like, the AI got like this certain kind of like language almost, where it's just like, I don't know, it's weird, but we accepting it. And even in the text, you know what I'm saying, when we reading like certain comments or a description of something, like we can tell it AI from the dashes, from the way it's worded. We accepting this whole AI of creating, when you see people like, oh, I got a children's book now, the whole thing created with AI. And I'm not knocking it, you know what I'm saying? But what I'm saying is, it's something special from the human touch of a human, you know what I'm saying? From a human aspect of you being like, like I can resonate with that because you're human, I'm human, and this is like a true human experience rather than we breaking down that whole experience. So that was on my mind. I just woke up. I was just like, yo, let me turn on this camera and speak my mind right quick. And that's another thing too, right? Me me not trying to be perfect. Like I literally just woke up not too long ago. I cleaned up, and while I was cleaning, I was like, yo, this is on my mind. Let me speak it. Let me just turn on this camera, speak my mind right quick, and then end the video. So that's another aspect of it. So let me know how you guys feel about this. I'm very curious how y'all feel about the whole AI wave era. Yeah, let me know. Bye.